Welcome to IFN Sindhi. I'm Veena and today I'm going to show you how we can make a Sindhi delicacy called Gosht Dabroti. Sindhis are very fond of non-vegetarian food and Gosht Dabroti is a very lovely dish which is liked by Sindhis as well as non-Sindhis. So let's see how we can do Gosht Dabroti. I'm first going to put oil in this pressure cooker which I have placed on the flame. As it gets hot, I'm first going to put in 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, next green chillies and then chopped onion. I'm now going to saute the onions with the ginger garlic paste and chillies till they are golden brown in color. Onion has become quite brown now, so I'm now going to add the mutton pieces to it. Just turn it around with the onion and now I will add all the dry spices. 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, half teaspoon of jeera or cumin, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 or 2 sticks of dalchini or cinnamon, a few bay leaves or tej patta and 5 or 6 cloves or lavang. Now I'm going to saute the mutton with the spices for a few minutes, or as in Sindhi we call it, we are going to bhuno it for a few minutes. Now that we have mixed the spices well, I am going to add the chopped tomatoes. We are going to bhuno this. But before that, I will add salt. And now we will bhuno it till the tomatoes are completely dissolved and the mutton has a nice reddish tinge. So the Sindhi mutton is looking nice and brown now. It's bhunoed well and now I come to the last stage, which is adding some hot water to it. I'm going to mix it well and a few coriander leaves. And now we will close the pressure cooker and allow it to cook for 10 minutes after the first whistle. It's time to check if the mutton is done. I've opened the cooker and it looks perfect. So I'm now going to show you how Sindhis have this dish. So I have pav here, which I have cut into 2. And I am going to put the mutton and the gravy over this pav. The Sindhi way of eating it is that the pav has to be completely soaked in the gravy and there has to be a lot of mutton around it, and then we garnish it with a little coriander leaves and you can serve this with onion rings or onion slices. This authentic Sindhi recipe of Gosht Dabroti is a must try for all of you. So if you've liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to IFN Sindhi and write in with your experience of Gosht Dabroti.